Hi guys, welcome back. Let's make chicken and shrimp quesadillas. So I'm gonna show you how to make chicken quesadillas. But before we get started, I would like for you to like this video and then we'll get started. Also, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. So let's get to the recipe. We are going to start by seasoning the shrimps. I am using between 20 and 30 shrimps. I am using large shrimp. Feel free to use medium or small or large. I will list all the ingredients and the measurements in the description box below. Be sure to check it out in the instructions. So these are all the ingredients that I'm using to season my shrimp. So after you've seasoned your shrimps, let's set it aside and let it marinate for a few minutes, 20 to 30 minutes. And now we're gonna go ahead and marinate the chicken. I am using chicken thighs for this recipe, but feel free to use chicken breasts if it's easier or if you like it better. So these are all the these seasonings that I'm using. I will list them in the box. Be sure to check it out, like I said. So we're gonna go ahead and marinate the chicken, and after we season it, gonna let it marinate for a few minutes, also 20 to 30 minutes. You don't need that much time because it's cut in very small pieces. You don't need to let it marinate for a very long time. So let's go over the cheeses that I am using. I am using mozzarella cheese, Monterey, and cheddar cheese, medium sharp cheddar. And for vegetables, I'm using corn, whole kernel corn. I'm using mushrooms, red bell pepper, orange bell pepper, tomatoes, and green bell pepper. You don't have to use all that if you don't want to. And for the tortilla flour, I am using this tortilla flour, and I'm using one that is also corn and flour tortilla. So go ahead and add about a tablespoon to your hot pan. We're gonna cook the shrimp. So we're gonna cook the shrimps for 3 minutes, a minute and a half on each side. And after a shrimp is cooked, you're gonna go ahead and remove it from the pan, the hot pan. In the same hot pan or skillet, whatever you're using, go ahead and add the chicken. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil or vegetable oil, and then just go ahead and pour the chicken in that pan and start cooking. It will take about 10 minutes for the chicken to be fully cooked. Be sure to keep stirring it to make sure everything is perfectly cooked. Since they're cut in very small pieces, it won't take that long, but make sure that it's cooked so you don't get sick. So you're gonna let it cook on medium-high heat, and once your liquid have been reduced like this, you know that your chicken is ready. So now that your chicken is fully cooked, we're gonna go ahead and remove it from the pan, and we're gonna cook the vegetables. We're gonna saute the vegetables for a few minutes, for 5 minutes, not too long, about 2 teaspoons of oil, and then just go ahead and add your vegetable and half of a teaspoon of salt to sweat it out. If you're liking this video so far, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also give it a thumbs up. So now remove your vegetable. We're gonna go ahead and add the tortilla to the hot pan. Your heat should be on medium low. We're gonna add the cheeses on the tortilla flour tortilla, I think. Anyways, add the cheese, and then add the shrimp and the vegetables, and then add more cheese on top. Ooh, it's gonna be cheesy. So after you've added the other tortilla on top, go ahead and flip it so the other side could get some color and the cheese could also melt. This looks so delicious. So add another tortilla in the hot pan, and we're gonna go ahead and do the same process as we did before with the shrimp one. Add cheeses, lots of it, mozzarella, cheddar, Monterey cheese, all of it. Feel free to use Mexican cheese. I didn't want to use Mexican cheese for that one. Not that I didn't want to use it, it was just too expensive. Anyways, add the chicken. Add it to one side. So this one I'm gonna fold that one. So add it to just one side and leave the other space so you can fold it easily. And add your vegetables, some fresh cilantro, and add more cheese, of course. And then go ahead and fold it. You see what I did there? Just like so. And then after that, you're gonna go ahead and give it a quick flip so the other side so the cheese could melt. And be sure to hit the notification bell button so you can know whenever I upload a new video. Okay, and you guys, this is the recipe. It's so quick and easy. Let me tell you, you're gonna love it. My friends loved it, my family loved it. Well, yeah, everybody loved it. Honestly, I loved it. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Also hit the subscribe button for more. And yes, I made some guacamole. Feel free to eat it with guac or sour cream. I eat it with both because it's just so delicious. Look at the shrimp one. Oh my god, look at the cheese, the melt on the, oh, I can't. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next video. Go ahead and take a bite.